good acquisition that's come, and we'll try to get you more details. But for the time being, let's turn our attention back to the markets. Nimesh is with us. Nimesh, well, that long-awaited deal has come about, and my first take is that it's a good deal. But tell us how you're seeing market setup. The buy on dips has worked today.
So before I talk about the daily room word on the JPA deal, you spoke about it's positive from a Dalmia point of view. I think it's positive from JP Associates Group as well. The reason being, this deal will help them to get the money, which will go to the lenders. So this money, my senses, will not go to the company, but will go to the lenders, and which will mean that lenders will not take JP Associates to the NCLT. So that is a big positive as far as the JPA is concerned. I guess you would have worked out the numbers in terms of what it means for Dalmia.
Dalmia, $73 per ton.
So it's a good deal for Dalmia, but it's a bit of a lease of life for JPA Group as well. So that's my limited take from this announcement. Now, coming to the markets, I guess, what we saw, the recovery in the last 15-20 minutes, I guess is largely because of market at close basket buying at a leading FI desk. That was the indication as well. There's going to be an MSCI basket buying at leading FI. Apart from that, there's going to be a small ETF buying as well. So I guess the FI number may look a little positive today on the back of these two numbers. So that's something to watch out for. In terms of sectors, I guess, again, the sector seems to be the financials, and within that, the PSU bank stocks, the small private bank seems to be back in action. You're seeing a big move in those stocks and with good volumes as well. So that's a clear sector to watch out for, and that there is clear momentum now. In terms of Nifty range, I guess it's stuck between 18,300 and 18,800. So that's the range to watch out for. But I guess today's last hour rally recovery is largely on back of MOC buying and some ETF buying as well. So that's the overall take as far as dealing rooms are concerned.
All right, but Nimesh, what are you picking up in terms of individual stocks? Plenty of news going around, though volumes are thinning out a little bit.
But there are plenty of news.
Yes.
That's the clear indication, Nigel. So the first stock on my radar today is Campus Activewear. Again, a bit soft in today's trade, but the indication is that there is going to be a large block deal in that company very soon. Potentially a private equity investor may look to sell stakes. So that's something to track for. The second stock is Siemens. That stock is buzzing in trade today and is up 3%. But largely the feedback is that there is going to be strong buying flows. Though small, but there is buying interest from a larger FIs in Siemens, and hence you're seeing a big move in that stock today. The third one is both Axis Bank and HDFC Life. I've taken this together because in both these stocks, while they've been trading in a narrow range, there is an indication that there could be large blocks coming in both these stocks very, very soon, and potentially clean out trades from large global investors. So that's something to track both in Axis Bank as well as HDFC Life. And the last one is Shriram Transport. Again, that's one stock within NBFC which is buzzing in trade today purely on back of buying flow. So the delivery volumes are expected to be quite high in Shriram Transport today.
Nimesh, thank you very much for that. The benchmark indices